Hi, I'm Hannah Steves Carney with Rebecca Steves Realty. Welcome to 151 Adams Street, an adorable Cape Cod located in Lincoln Heights. Let's take a look inside. Come on in. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home features gorgeous hardwood floors throughout the large living room and the dining room. The white kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, a large island, and access to the attached garage. Let's head upstairs. The top level has a main bath, 2 bedrooms on this side, and a master with a large walk-in. The finished basement has a rec room, a family room, a den, and a full bath with laundry.